You see, all we have to do is get on to the frequency of the good that we desire. When we do this, it starts to flow to us. Now, a good part of today's lesson is going to be focused on money. And I think that's something you'd all like to attract. But keep thinking. Look at your present results right now. You can only attract what you're in harmony with. So take a look at your income. Take a look at your income right now. If you're in sales, take a look at your sales. I don't care what you're doing. Take a look at the results. That's telling you the frequency that you're living on. We can adjust the frequency. You can, I can. Now, most people have difficulty taking it ahead. They don't have any difficulty going back, and they do that. It's like he said, you know, you can connect the dots looking backwards, but not forwards. Okay? So, energy attracts like energy. Now, what kind of a vibration are you in? What kind of a frequency are you operating on? Now, I really want you to play with this. Everything you want is also on its own frequency. You're on the same frequency.